Hi, my name is Matteo and I work at Brock Solutions. I'm here to talk to you today about SmartConnect, our flexible and intelligent centralized message broker. In a complex airline or airport environment, it isn't necessarily practical or efficient to share data using disparate communication paths between your systems. There are often a variety of complex connection types and communication protocols, and each may have unique redundancy and disaster recovery requirements. While integrating systems to share data would provide significant operational benefits, implementing the solution is often cost prohibitive. Legacy systems are extremely complex and are not to be underestimated. Messaging protocols, networking, and pipeline design are often unique for each party involved. There is typically no alerting, and integrations require significant know-how on various protocols, existing costs, and ongoing support needs. To navigate these challenges, Brock offers SmartConnect, a powerful message broker that interprets, manipulates, and routes messages between systems based on user-defined filters and business rules. It acts as a central messaging hub that maximizes integration while reducing the complexity of the overall messaging architecture. We support a growing collection of messaging interfaces, and new supported formats can be easily added to SmartConnect to accommodate any type of operation. These message formats could be IATA, ICAO, or proprietary formats used by existing user systems. SmartConnect sends up to 120 messages per second, and as these messages are routed, it appends relevant information to the detailed transaction history for each bag, flight, and passenger. The full text of each message is viewable, along with a summarized friendly history version which allows users to see the entire end-to-end journey at a glance. Dynamic dashboards also provide real-time visualizations of data flow and connection status. Deploying an intelligent message broker can optimize your messaging significantly by limiting the changes required due to incompatible communication methods and bringing all configuration into a central and easy-to-use system. For example, using the airline industry data model to replace legacy Type B messaging, it can result in simpler integration of data across an airline's operations, improve the quality of data, and reduce misinterpreted messages. This ultimately reduces the number of mishandled bags and their associated costs. The flexibility of SmartConnect allows for dynamic, on-the-fly configuration of new connections and routing rules, as well as the creation of custom message content. Simply add or remove connections in real time as needed without having to go back to a developer. It can also monitor message feeds and automatically trigger alarm notifications. Unlike legacy Type B message formats, which have content restrictions, SmartConnect enables the sharing of images with its messages. With the growing mishandled baggage rate, image sharing provides an important avenue for airports and airlines to quickly find bags within their network. In addition to the cost benefits of a central messaging hub, SmartConnect provides airports and airlines with much more visibility into the end-to-end journey of passengers and their bags. Typically, airlines with interline agreements don't share bag tracking data between each other, so they aren't aware of the bag's progress when it's not in their hands. This can cause problems for the connecting airline when flights are unexpectedly delayed or the passenger's itinerary changes. However, when both airlines use SmartConnect and agree to share their interline data, they can both track their passengers and their bags throughout the entire journey. This in turn opens the door for passenger bag tracking, allowing them to receive notifications on their smartphones regarding their bag's progress. Maximizing integration between disparate systems and reducing messaging complexity and cost is more critical than ever before, and Brock Solutions is here to help digitalize and modernize your operations for long-term sustainability. Contact us to learn more about how you can implement SmartConnect into your operations.